at it, it sounds like a vet.
This thing, and I was like, I need to be in there.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're pulling up to somebody's shop. Somebody, not somebody. Like I know who they are. Yeah, we're pulling up to their shop, and it's actually Noor. He has a dismantler out here, or dismantling shop, but it's actually me and Jonathan that we're actually going to be filming some stuff today. And I'm just going to take you guys behind the scenes, doing some vlogs, and we're going to film from his channel. So honestly, I don't really know what to film for mine. So I think we're just going to film his channel, take you guys behind the scenes, see what we can get ourselves into. It's a little late. It's already 7 basically. So yeah, started this vlog a little late. Look at all these cars. That car looks wrecked. Looks like a G37 with a carbon hood. BMWs. Looks like a 328 with M Sport bumpers and stuff. Guys, being in this Rancho Cordova area is so cool in my opinion because there's just so much stuff that's happening. There's so many cars. It's literally car mecca. Oh shit. It's gonna you guys see the R8? That's Noor's R8 right here. Oh yeah. I mean, how many people out here are single turbo? How are you doing? Good. I haven't seen it yet. It's so cool. Oh really? Yeah, I have not in person.
We only won last time with me, yeah. I'm really driving this thing.
That thing or the E90?
I'm driving the i3.
Oh yeah. Dude, so last time we met Noor, he was actually at a car event, and it was his E91 M3, the red one that's a wagon. I mean, if you guys know Noor, if you guys watch my channel, you gotta know Noor. I mean, like, that's crazy. But look, it's a gated manual. He's got carbon steering wheel, basically carbon everything. Look at the carbon, super nice seats in here. Carbon. Dude, this is so nice. What the heck? Bro, just close your eyes. Just like close your eyes and just think about what type of car this is. Because to me right now, if I don't look at it, it sounds like a vet. Straight up sounds like a vet. That is so cool. I love R8s. I really want an R8. If you guys don't know, actually I really want like a twin turbo R8. I do want a V10 though, so like, yeah, but you know, that's just a goal, I guess, eventually maybe. But this is super nice. Look at these. Look how big these calipers are, bro. Very cool. I think Jonathan's getting pictures and stuff like that of the car right now. That's really cool. And this one, I think he has a couple now, but this one is manual, I believe, right? Yeah. So that's the big difference between mine. Can you guys even see that? There you go. Big difference between my car and this car. He likes going out in the canyons and doing like canyon runs and stuff, so very cool. Got the RS4s on here. Super good. Tires. But yeah, you know, manual for the canyons, heck yeah. Auto for the fastness. You know how it is. Super nice. I think it sounds so mean. Yeah, it sounds so mean. Still rocking no headlight gang. I did clean it up a little bit so you can kind of see the turbo a lot better. I was thinking of putting like a plate here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that still, but guys, that sounds so nice. Like, I know the V10 sound nice, but those V8 sound really nice. Sounds like a Corvette. Look at this guy cheesing over there. Look at him cheesing over there. Caught you. I caught you cheesing over there.
That's crazy, bro.
It sounds crazy?
It sounds pretty good.
Just like just doing nothing? It sounds crazy? Well, that's cool, I guess.
Only running one headlight.
Hey man, like I told you, bro, I don't know when, or it's not even if, it's just when at this point. Makes sense, yeah. So you guys seen this one before at a meet, but as you can see, he's so busy with John over here doing work. He's like just collecting dust, like just sitting here. Like, this is such a cool build. This is the build you will see like when you go to Monterey Car Week and you go to like the BMW meet. This would be there because this is how cool this is. But
it's so like,
it's just sat here right now.
Custom.
Yeah, like extremely custom. Like, how many of these do you see? Like, never, nothing, ever.
Barely ever.
I think, well, how many of these are probably in America? Just like
probably like
10?
Probably like around 10-ish,
yeah,
realistically.
Which is crazy. So like sat here right now.
Yeah.
Well, Noah's got a lot of stuff he's playing with, so I guess that makes sense. Bro, okay, me and Jonathan are filming a video, and Juan was, were you at work?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was just at work, and he just like, let me jump in. So we just stopped and let him jump in. You guys gotta go check out Jonathan.
This thing, and I was like, I need to be in there.
Here, you can hold this.
Yeah.
Hold this. Alright, I'm gonna give Jonathan a flyby here. I'm glad you jumped in, bro.
You got some driving skills for sure. Yeah.
Hey, keeping in a straight line is easier in my opinion, so. He was like, stop.
Oh my god.
No, you know, they were like, no, that's it.
Bro, look at it.
Zooming. Yeah, bro. That sounds hella. Dude, I guess about the brakes.
Bro.
Come on, look.
How's it not blown? I genuinely don't understand how it's not blown. There's like 7-8 pulls on it in a row.
Dude, honestly though, hey, guess what? It's self-tuned.
You're gonna blow it.
We tuned it ourselves, bro.
Oh my. For daily driving if you're not pushing it, but if you're pushing it like this, bro.
Nah, it's only like 550. We got like another 200 horsepower.
If that's 550.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
No way. There's no way. There's no way.
It's only on 18 pounds.
No.
I have another 10 pounds to go.
I don't think it's 550.
You don't think so? I think he's just in the back seat. All right, this is Juan. Again, guys, he's driving my car now.
Bro! Fuck! This is so fucking sick, man! What the fuck?
Hey, this is coming from a G82 owner, bro.
Oh, man! Driving it so fucking different!
Really?
Full look, check. I don't know if you can tell my skin.
You're
like
getting goosebumps?
You know?
Goosebumps?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Dude, in the back seat is so scary. It's so scary back here.
I'm so sorry I had to drive for more.
It's okay, go ahead. Just to think, bro, he was right here at the randomest corner of this random street, and we just happened to just be like, what's up, Juan? You want to drive my car? Yes, sir.
See you later.
Alright, guys, I don't know how much I filmed, but again, shout out to Noor, Jonathan, and Juan. That was the most randomest thing that we've ever encountered, filming a video. But yeah, go check out his channel. Actually, I think I have it linked in I'll have it linked down below, of course. And if you don't know Noor, I'll have that link down below too. But most likely you're coming from their videos to watch this video. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. Again, super fun. This car is super fun, and this is what it's all about for me, bro. Just having people enjoy. Peace out, guys. Have a good rest of your whatever you're doing.